Hello and welcome to my home. Today I'm going to show you some exciting gifts to give to that gardener on your list. Now I have my gifts divided up into one section on functional practical gifts, and then I have a section on some nice fun gifts for the gardener. But before we go there, I want to let you know that on my channel I also do tasty, easy, simple recipes. I do product reviews. I also talk about container gardening, where you can learn how to grow vegetables in containers, whether you have one container or many containers. And I also have some meditation videos, so check those out when you get a chance. But right now, let's get to those gifts. The first is an apron. It's a cute little apron. It has designs, little cactus designs on the pockets. It has several pockets down at the bottom that are fairly deep. And gardeners usually like to have all types of little tools with them when they're out there, and this will also help keep your gardener clean. There's a pocket in the top. This is made out of canvas. That's how it looks on the inside. It has adjustability in a couple of places, at the shoulder and around the hip waist area. It has nice straps up here to take the pressure off the shoulders. Now this one costs $18.99. So that's not a bad deal. Now I have another apron. This one comes with knee pads. And this apron is in this unisex color. I will use this for male or female. It also has pockets. Now these pockets are a little more industrial strength, very deep, and I feel a much more sturdiness to it. So this might be for the gardener who is really out there a lot. And this one has a zipper across the top as well. And it has those wider straps for extra comfort around the shoulder. Now this one costs $28.95, but again that comes with a knee pad. Now both this canvas apron and the one with the cactus, they come wrapped in this plastic, typical plastic that you find merchandise in when it comes to you. Next, I'm going to show you, since we got aprons with pockets, we need to maybe think about getting tools for the gardener. So you may want to get that gift instead. And I have this Tack gardening tool set. And these tools are stainless steel. And it comes in this nice box. And this costs $34.97. So let me open it. So this tool set comes with also a tote to put the tools in, and it has a snap, Velcro snap, which is kind of nice. There's the inside of it. They got pockets where you're going to put the tools. And this is a cute black and orange. I think this is unisex. And here are the tools. These are very heavy tools. So let me show these to you. They have these wrapped up really well. Okay, so here's the first three. Your spade, and this spade has measurements on there, which is good, especially for people who are planting bulbs. And you always want to know, they always say plant your bulbs 3 to 6 inches deep or some measurement. That helps out with that. It has a wider one, and that's nice. And the grips on these are really nice too. That's a little bit of plastic wrap, but you can see the grip handles on there. That's nice. I like that. These feel nice and heavy. And here, this had these protective ends on it, but for when you want to dig in and scratch in the soil. So that's always handy for the gardener. But we got some more tools in here, so let's take a look at these. It's a 6-piece tool set, if I didn't tell you before. hang with me. I'm getting there. Okay, so here's what you call a nice gardening scooping tool. That's very nice, and it has ridges on the edge, so you can really dig down into the soil. I will also use this to dip soil out of my bags of soil as well. That's also very nice, and the same type of ergonomical grip they have on there. Another tool of use in the garden, and this has protective clips on there as well. And you have some shears. Gardeners always need a nice pair of clipping shears, so that's nice too, and it has that little notch on there to clip it closed. And that's that set. That's a very nice set for a gardener. Any of these gifts I would be glad to get, and I garden all the time. Now lastly, the last functional practical gift is a hat. Now it doesn't look like a hat right now, but this is how it comes packaged to you. And this has UV protection, and it's waterproof and adjustable, has a chin strap, and comes in several colors. So let me get this together and show it to you. And then you just kind of shape it like that. Here's the adjustable little toggle. You can make it smaller or bigger. This is how it looks. Yes, this will protect from the sun very nicely. And if it's windy, you can go ahead and make that firmer under your chin. It's very comfortable. So that's another practical gift for the gardener on your list. Next, we're going to talk about some fun gifts for the... Oh, my hair is a mess. Next, we're going to talk about some fun gifts for the gardener. Now, when you're working out in the garden, you like to have a nice, comfortable t-shirt, but why not make it fun? So this t-shirt right here says, "You're never too old to play in the dirt." I just think that's so cute. And this is a man's version of the shirt. This is what a size large looks like. They come in many sizes. For the men's, they go from small to a 5X. And then they have the women's as well that says, again, "You're never too old to play in the dirt." I just think that's so cute. And so they have that for women. And that also comes in different sizes and colors. Now, the women comes in small to extra, extra large. Now, if you have a gardener that likes to wear those baseball caps, well, here's some cute ones right here. This is one that says "Plant Lady," and this one says "Plant Daddy." So let me take these out and show you to you. So this is how the Plant Ladies is made. It has that cool mesh on the back end, and then it has, you know, the typical bib on the front. It has the adjustable tabs in the back. Here's the men's Plant Daddy. Now this one doesn't have a mesh back. It has all of it's made out of that cotton material, and it adjusts with that little slip back here. Now the last fun gift I think is really kind of cool, and this is my first time seeing it, so I'm hoping it's going to be really cool when I pull it out. So hang in there while it's wrapped really good, and it needs to be because of the nature of the gift. So that's it right there. And look at that garden sign. You notice that mine says "Cherry Tree by the Deck," which is the name of my channel. Now you can put any name you want up here. You can put the person's name, a business name. You could put, you know, a hobby that they have, whatever you want. And then also you can put the established date on here as well. I just think that is such a cool idea. So you may want to check that out. I'll put a link down for this as well as all the other gifts. I hope you found this very helpful and that you can find a gift suitable for the gardener on your list. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.